Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are fine and doing great. So today's video is gonna be my grocery shopping slash essential haul. So few days back I went to the departmental store near my house. So I bought quite a few stuff for myself and my house. So I thought of sharing those stuffs with you guys so that you will get to know what things I bought for my household. These are the random things that everyone needs for their house in day-to-day basis. So without wasting any time, let's just get started with today's video. With the very first thing, this is the Emami healthy and tasty soybean refined oil. So this is the soybean oil from the brand Emami. Many of you know this brand. So this is has no cholesterol in it, and this oil helps to lower risk of high blood pressure, reduce risk of heart disease. It has got vitamin D which helps to improve the health of our bones. See, it has been approximately more than 12 years that we have stopped consuming mustard oil, and we have replaced the soybean oil because mustard oil causes many kind of heart diseases. It also increases the cholesterol level, and it also increases the fats in our body. So it is better you don't intake mustard oil regularly. Sometimes you can take, but for regular basis it is not good for your health to consume mustard oil. Doctors also prefer that not to consume mustard oil for a regular basis. For our family preferred this soybean oil. There are more brands like Fortune is also a good option for consumption. It also has soybean oil. So I didn't get the Fortune one. If I don't get the Fortune one, I prefer buying the Emami one. This is what 3 liters of this pack. The second and the third item is the atta and maida. For atta we use the Ashirvad atta, and for maida we use the Ganesh maida. So I don't know any other brand rather than these two, because since I was a child, my father used to bring these two brands only, for atta Ashirvad and maida Ganesh. So yeah, now also we use these two brands only. Actually my mother has cut it and poured in the containers. I'll show you right now. So oh, I forgot to mention that I bought 2 kgs of atta and 3 kgs of maida. So the next thing is this one. This is the Kisan tomato ketchup. I think everyone in their household has this one. Means without tomato ketchup, I think our grocery shopping is not at all complete. So I didn't get the bigger pack one. I got this pack only because I don't know why they didn't had the bigger one. But this is priced as rupees 50 for 425 grams. So I got this one only. But next time when I'll go, I'll bring the bigger one. So yeah, I bought this one. So the next one is this one. This is the Brooke Bond Taza. This is the chai patti, and it is from the brand Brooke Bond. I know everyone knows about this. We have seen so many advertisements. So this is a 100-gram pack for rupees 20. I bought 2 packs of this. So it is totally a need. For me, I need tea. So I bought this pack, 2 packets of this, and I don't know why I don't like a Tata tea. I like this one besides the Tata tea one. So yeah. So the next thing is this one. This is the coffee pouches, the Nescafe Classic Coffee, and I have bought 5 pouches of this, but 2 already I have consumed. Now some of you will think that in this hot, sunny and summery weather, why you are consuming coffee, but I love cold coffee. So I had made cold coffee. That's why 2 pouches I have already been used. So only 3 left. I'll bring more because the departmental store is near my house only. So I don't have to walk or go much away. So yeah, this is the 10 rupees wala pouch packets, and it has 15% extra also. I like this kind of pouches because I can measure the quantity I need. So because in that container or the jar, I don't know how much to add and how much not. So this comes handy. Next thing is these two. This Patanjali toothpaste. Patanjali Dantkanti Advanced Toothpaste. So this is just awesome. This toothpaste is really awesome. Now everyone knows about this brand Patanjali. It is an Ayurvedic brand. Everyone knows that. I don't think that I have to say much about this brand, but trust me, this toothpaste is really awesome. Before I used to use this the Glister from the Amway, that toothpaste I used to use, but then I replaced that with this one, and this is really awesome. From the brand Patanjali brand, I don't like their products. I only like this toothpaste, and the other one is that aloe vera gel, the green aloe vera gel. I love these two products from this brand only. I don't like the other any of the products from this brand, but trust me guys, this toothpaste is awesome. It's the advanced one, not the natural one. The natural one I don't like that one, but this toothpaste means it smells so good, and the taste of this toothpaste is really awesome. I love the taste. I mean, I purchase toothpaste as per their taste, because I feel like I'm using it in my mouth. I'm using this to brush my teeth, clean my teeth. So it doesn't taste good. I don't feel like that my from inside. I don't feel like that my mouth is fresh or my teeth has been cleaned properly. But this one is really awesome. You guys try it out. Definitely will love this. The next thing is this one. Oh, sorry, ulta. This is the Britannia Marigold biscuit. Everyone in their household have this, I know. So yeah, I love this biscuit with chai. If I am drinking tea, if I need to have any biscuit, I will have this only with tea. With tea, I can't have any other biscuit. I love having tea with this biscuit, and my father also loves this biscuit. Except my mom. In my family, everyone loves this. My mom doesn't like this because it has got some sweet taste. That's why my mom doesn't prefer having anything sweet with the tea. That's why she doesn't take this, eat this. It is already open because we have started having this. So yeah, this was it, and I think this is 30 rupees for, I think, 300 gram. Yeah, 300 gram costed 30. Next thing that is that my grocery is incomplete without is this. Yes, the Maggi noodles, a 2-minute Maggi noodles. It's the masala Maggi one. Who doesn't like this? Everyone loves this. I know you also like it. No? If you like Maggi like me, if you are a Maggi lover, then please like my video. Go like it. So yeah, this is it, and this one is the 6-pack one. It has got 6 noodles inside it. This is the 420 gram. It is the 420 gram wala pack, and it is priced rupees 68. So got 2 packs. The other one is in the kitchen. We have already started consuming it, so that's why it is open. That's why I can't show you. So yeah, this one. The next thing is this bread. This is the Britannia bread, sliced bread, and this is, I don't know what. Oh, this is a 200 gram pouch. It is priced for rupees 12, I think. Yeah, it is the 12 rupees wala packet. I bought the 4 packs of this. So there is no need of showing 4 packs. So I am showing this one only. So yeah, bread. We all know that bread is necessary. Everyone needs bread. Not everyone. Many of them doesn't intake bread. This is the white bread. There are wheat bread also, but I don't like the wheat bread, brown bread. That is a wheat bread only. So I don't like the brown bread. I like this only. This is a white bread. Milk bread also, I love it, but it was not available, so I bought this white bread only, sliced bread. Next thing is this. This is the Sunrise Pure Fennel seeds from the brand Sunrise. It comes under spices, right? But I love, after having dinner, I love to have this. It acts as a mouth freshener also. So it's a 50 grams pouch, I think, which is priced at rupees 22. Yeah, this is a 50-gram pouch. Yeah, priced at rupees 22. Next thing that I got, it's not mine, it is for my mom. This is it. This is a Himalaya Fairness Kesar face wash, 50 ml. It is priced at rupees 70. My mom uses this face wash. I didn't get the bigger one, so I bought this one. This, I don't know how it is. My mom uses it. So if you want a review on this face wash, then please comment down below. Then I will definitely make a video on it. So this is the thing that I got from mom. And yeah, the next thing is this two liquids, Sudhal from the brand Boroline. This is the antiseptic liquid, skin hygienic liquid. So this is the fresh with aloe vera and neem wala bottle, and this one is only the neem one, green one. This is the very old one. So these two are the antiseptic liquids. So there is another variant, the Chandan variant. That is also nice. So I bought this, though the neem one is priced at rupees 40 for 50 ml, I think. No, for 100 ml. Oh, sorry. 100 ml it is priced at rupees 40, and this blue one, this is also 100 ml but priced at rupees 45. How to use? I use this for bath. I just add a few drops of this in the my bathing water, and then I have my bath with this only. This helps to prevent our skin from any irritation or any sort of skin disease. I used to use Savlon or Dettol, means add few drops of Savlon or Dettol, anything whichever I get. I used to add a few drops of it, and then I used to take my shower. But now, as we all know, in this pandemic period, this Savlon and Dettol were out of stock for a very long time, so I started using these. I already have finished one bottle of this and the Chandan one, so I bought again 2 bottles of this one. I have started using this one, and this one is still new. I didn't open the seal yet. Now the favorite part of the haul is, my favorite part of the grocery shopping is this Lay's pack. And yeah, this Lay's. So wait, I bought this one, Lay's America Style Cream and Onion Flavor, the green pack. I bought this in a small packet because I don't like this flavor. It's very creamy, so I bought this 10 rupees wala packet. Then I got this one, this orange one. Now this is the Wacky Hot and Sweet Chili. It is priced 20 rupees wala packet. Next I got the blue one, the Indian Magic Masala. I bought 2 packs of this already. It's open, so I bought 2 packs of this. I love this blue one. I love blue Lays. I can't live without this packet, this Lays. So yeah, this is the 35 rupees wala 90 gram wala 35 wala pack. Bought this, and this is a Kurkure green chutney style. This is a 20 rupees wala packet. I bought this. So this, and next I think I don't have much. Oops, and this is my favorite. This is the Temptation Rum and Raisin, and for it is 72 grams, is priced around rupees 90. Yeah, that is That is it for today's video. I hope you loved it and enjoy watching it. If so, then please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I post a new video you get notified. And I will be back with another video very soon. Till then, bye bye, take care of your lovely selves.